Did you know that there are many benefits to upgrading your lights to LED? For example, LED lights last longer, are more energy efficient, and are extremely versatile. Hi, I'm TJ from Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning, and on today's episode of Now You Know, we're going to be teaching you all about LED lights. LED stands for light emitting diode. They've been available to consumers for over 30 years, but have become more popular in the last decade. If you were to leave a light bulb on for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, an LED could last somewhere between 20,000 and 100,000 hours depending on make and style. Not only do LEDs last longer, they are also incredibly energy efficient and will save you money. Have you ever been close to a non-LED light bulb and felt the heat radiating off of it? That's because non-LED bulbs consume energy to produce both heat and light, whereas an LED saves energy in producing lots of light and significantly less heat. One of the great things about LED lights is how versatile they are. They can be used in many different rooms and situations, whether it's brightly lighting a kitchen or providing accent lighting in a living room. They can range from warm and soft to cool and bright, and even change colors. If you'd like to upgrade your home's lighting to LED, contact Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning or your favorite electrical company to learn more. And now, you know.